Hello there everybody. This is a real quick video about hair care, and I wanted to share my hair treatment experience with you. First of all, I'd like to show you my hair and what it is like. I had a serious hair loss problem and had dull hair about 6 months ago. And one of my friends suggested to me to use Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil Treatment and Hair Care product to cure my hair loss problem. I checked out the products, which contain vitamin E, unsaturated fatty acids, but sulfate, silicone, and alcohol free. I started to use this stuff every single day for 6 months, and now my hair looks healthy, shiny, thick, and strong. No more hair loss on my white sheets or pillowcases. The products are so effective to cure the hair loss, the regrowth, and the alopecia problems that I really had to strongly recommend Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil Treatment and Hair Care product to everyone out there that has a hair loss problem and has weak or dull hair. Here's the website, www.arganlifeproducts.com.